In this video, I'm going to show you natural expressions you can use to sound more fluent and more expressive when something surprises you. These are super common in everyday English, and they'll help your reactions sound more natural. Let's get started.
You're kidding.
You're kidding.
You're kidding.
This expression shows you're surprised and maybe a little bit shocked. It doesn't mean you think the person is actually joking. It just shows your reaction. This expression is perfect when something sounds unbelievable and you want to react with strong, natural surprise. Let's check out the next expression.
Are you serious?
Are you serious? Are you serious?
This is a very common reaction when something surprises you, especially when you want to double check if the information is true. It works for both good and bad surprises, and it sounds natural in any casual conversation. This expression is great when you're surprised and want to confirm if what you heard is actually true. Let's move on to the next expression.
What? No way. What? No way.
What? No way.
This one is super expressive and very common. You use it when you're shocked or something catches you completely off guard. The pause after "what" makes it sound even more natural and emotional. This expression is perfect when you're genuinely shocked and need a second to process what you just heard. Let's move on to the next expression.
Are you for real? Are you for real?
Are you for real?
This one is casual and playful, and it shows strong surprise or disbelief. People usually use it when something sounds crazy, unexpected, or almost too surprising to believe. It's friendly, expressive, and super common in spoken English. This expression is a fun way to show big surprise when something sounds unbelievable. Let's jump into the next expression.
You've got to be kidding me.
You've got to be kidding me.
You've got to be kidding me.
This one shows strong disbelief, usually when something sounds shocking, unfair, or completely unexpected. It's a bit more dramatic than "you're kidding," and it's perfect when the situation feels almost unbelievable. This expression is great for reacting to surprising or frustrating news that you can hardly believe. Let's keep going with the next expression.
That's unbelievable.
It's unbelievable.
That's unbelievable.
This expression shows strong surprise, but in a more neutral or positive way. You can use it for shocking news, amazing achievements, or anything that feels hard to imagine. It's clear, expressive, and works in almost any situation. This expression is perfect when something impresses you or surprises you in a big way. All right, let's move on to the next expression.
What a surprise.
What a surprise.
What a surprise!
This one is polite and friendly, perfect for reacting to unexpected news, a sudden visit, or something you didn't see coming. It sounds warm and genuine, and you can use it in casual or slightly formal situations. This expression is a smooth, polite way to react when something unexpected happens and you want to sound positive and welcoming. Let's keep going with the next expression.
Seriously?
Wait, seriously?
Wait, seriously?
This one is supernatural and very common in everyday conversations. You use it when you need a second to process what you just heard, especially if it's shocking or unexpected. The little pause before "seriously" makes it sound even more real and authentic. This expression is perfect when something surprises you so much that you need a moment to take it in. Let's move on to the next expression.
I did not see that coming.
I did not see that coming.
I did not see that coming.
This expression is perfect when something completely unexpected happens. It's casual, modern, and sounds very natural, like you're genuinely surprised by the outcome. It works for both good and bad surprises. This expression is great for reacting to surprising news that catches you off guard. Let's move to the next expression.
I can't believe it.
Can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
This is a classic reaction when something feels unbelievable, whether it's good news, shocking news, or something totally unexpected. It's emotional, expressive, and sounds very natural in everyday English. This expression is perfect when the news feels surprising or amazing, and you're reacting with strong emotion. That's it for today's lesson. If you found this helpful, keep practicing the ideas we covered and try using them in your everyday conversations. The more you use them, the more natural they'll feel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.